Hi, I'm Anna, and I'd like to show you how to use the Codartis Diagram Tool to explore, navigate, and document a C# code base. This is not a drawing tool to create arbitrary sketches, but a visualization tool to express the structure and relationships of the actual source with diagrams. It's a Visual Studio extension, so after installation, you will find it at View, Other Windows, Codartis Diagram Tool. Let's start with some high-level exploration. I will use the codebase of the tool as an example. In the Solution Explorer window, let's right-click on the solution and choose the Add to Codartis Diagram menu item. All projects, or rather their resulting assemblies, are added to the diagram, and you can see the reference relationships between them. These relationships always point downwards, so you can see higher-level assemblies at the top, lower-level assemblies at the bottom. Let's get rid of the test and benchmark projects so we can focus on the product assemblies. Let's select the test assemblies and then right-click, Remove Nodes, Remove Selected Nodes. Now the picture is much clearer. There's the top-level project, which is the tool itself, and it uses codartis.softwiz, which in turn uses the cola and the util assemblies. Let's dig into the softwiz assembly and see what namespaces it contains. There's the root-level Codartis namespace, then the softwiz namespace, and now it breaks down into more meaningful chunks, like geometry, graphs, modeling, diagramming, and UI. Let's drill into diagramming, then into implementation. Let's look at what the diagram state looks like. First, let's get rid of all the other nodes, so we can focus on this one. Then, let's add all the associated types. To clean up the view a little, let's remove the low-level types, like Rect2D, and the ID microtypes. If we rearrange the diagram a bit, it reveals the structure of the diagram state. It consists of a collection of nodes and connectors implemented by immutable classes that form a graph. And it uses services from Graph Constraint Provider and Diagram Feature Provider. By adding the members to the diagram, we can see what makes up a diagram node and diagram connector. If you want to get more details without cluttering up the diagram anymore, you can click on the buttons on the nodes to see their related nodes. Or you can double-click a node to navigate to its source code. From the source code, you can also add symbols to the diagram. To use the diagram in documentation, you can export it to the clipboard as an image or save it as an image file. You can also save the diagram for later use as a diagram file with the .codartis extension. This way, not an image, but the description of the diagram is saved. So if you later reload it, you get back the editable diagram, which is linked to the underlying source code. The diagram file is in JSON format, so it can be conveniently stored in a source control repository next to related source code files. However, when the source code evolves and changes, diagrams can become obsolete. If you load a diagram with nodes or relationships that no longer exist in the source code, a broken link icon is shown. So let's fix the diagram by removing the obsolete nodes and adding the current ones. And this is how you can keep your diagrams up to date with minimum effort. Thanks for watching. Bye!